Lily had a bear named Bobo, whom she loved dearly. Bobo was small and brown, and Lily took him everywhere. One sunny day at the park, Lily played with Bobo but lost him. She searched her house but couldn't find him, feeling very sad. Lily wanted to find Bobo, so she went back to the park with her mom. She looked under the swings. She looked behind the trees. She asked kids about her bear. The kids did not see him, but Lily did not stop. She wanted to keep looking. While walking slowly near a wooden bench, Lily saw something small and blue on the ground. She picked it up. "Look, Mommy," Lily said. "This is Bobo's blue bow. He was here." Lily felt a little bit happy. Now she had a clue. Lily looked at the ground near the bench. She saw small footprints in the dirt. Small steps, she thought. Maybe Bobo. Lily followed the footprints. They went around a big bush. Lily carefully walked behind the bush to see what was there. Lily looked behind the big bush. She saw something move. It was small and brown. Lily quietly said, "Bobo." But it was not Bobo. It was a little brown rabbit with long ears. The rabbit looked at Lily, and then hopped quickly away into the grass. Lily felt a little sad, but she kept looking. Lily continued to follow the small footprints. They went past some colorful flowers and towards another part of the park. Soon, the footprints led Lily to a kind old man. He was sitting on a different bench, reading a big book. Lily walked up to the old man. She felt a little shy, but she asked politely, "Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a small brown bear? I lost him." The old man looked up from his book and smiled kindly at Lily. "A brown bear, you say? Maybe I have." The old man pointed to a small wooden box next to the bench. "Sometimes, when people find lost things in the park, they put them in this box," he explained to Lily. "Let's take a look inside together. Maybe your brown bear is there." Lily's heart beat a little faster. The old man carefully opened the lid of the box. Lily looked inside with big eyes. She saw a bright red ball. She saw a shiny blue toy car. And then, she saw something brown and furry hiding at the bottom. "Bobo," Lily whispered happily. Lily reached into the box and gently picked up Bobo. "Oh, Bobo, I missed you so much," she said. She hugged him tightly. Bobo felt soft and just right in her arms. The old man smiled, happy that Lily had found her friend. Lily ran over to her mom, who was waiting nearby. Mommy, look. I found Bobo," she shouted happily, holding up the brown bear. Her mom smiled a big smile. "Oh, Lily, that's wonderful news. I'm so glad you found him." Lily held Bobo very carefully as they walked home from the park. The sun was starting to go down, making the sky look orange and pink. Lily felt happy and safe with Bobo in her arms. It was a good end to a day that started with sadness. When they got home, Lily saw that Bobo was a little bit dirty from being lost in the park. "Time for a bath, Bobo," Lily said gently. She filled a small bowl with warm water and carefully washed Bobo with soft soap. Now Bobo smelled nice and clean again. After Bobo's bath, it was time for bed. Lily tucked Bobo in next to her under the soft blanket. She picked up her favorite storybook with colorful pictures and read a story about a brave little animal. Bobo lay quietly beside her, listening. The next morning, the sun shone brightly into Lily's room. She woke up and saw Bobo right next to her. "Good morning, Bobo," she whispered. "Let's have another fun day today." Lily knew she would be extra careful with Bobo. Lily and Bobo played many games together that day. They built tall towers with blocks, and they drew colorful pictures. Lily held Bobo close during all their adventures. She knew that Bobo was more than just a toy. He was her very best friend, and she was very happy to have him back.
That was the end of the story. Don't miss our next story. Hit that subscribe button to get new English stories every week.